Good morning, class. Now today also we are going to continue with the exercises of third chapter in workbook only. That is on page number 31. So easy. The dog is sitting on the mat. Where is the dog sitting? The dog is sitting on the mat. The sentence above is so easy that everyone in the class can read it. This sentence is so easy that everyone could read it. Notice how so is used with the adjectives below. These are some of the adjectives. Now let us read how it is used with them. So easy, so tired, so old, so fierce, so hungry, and so difficult. Now what you all have to do in this exercise is make up your own sentences. Use so that in each one. Choose any adjective from the box below. The pictures will also help you. What you all have to do, you have to use, like in this first picture, you can see the watch here. And the first word is expensive. Now the first sentence which we are going to make using these two things is the watch is so expensive that he cannot buy. So what you all have to do, you have to write the sentences here. So let us now, I am writing it for all of you. The first sentence is the watch is so expensive that he cannot buy. Put a full stop. Second one is match, that is a matchbox, and the word is whichever word you can take here. Hungry. Okay. The sentence for this is the man is so hungry that he ate all the food. Put a full stop at the end. Now, let us move to the third one. The third picture which we are going to take here is radio and sheep. The sentence for this is the radio was so cheap that many people bought it. Now let us move to the fourth sentence. The fourth picture which we are going to take is the boy, and the word is quite. The sentence which we are going to make here is the boy was so quiet that everyone praised him. Put a full stop at the end. The fifth sentence which we are going to make is fifth word which we are going to these briefcase and heavy. So the sentence for this will be the load was so heavy that it cannot be pulled. With a full stop at the end. Now let us move to the sixth one. This, you can see the picture of briefcase, that is a suitcase, and the word old. The suitcase was so old that it cannot carry heavy load in it. Put a full stop at the end. Now let us move to the seventh one. Now you can see the sleeping boy here. So let us make a sentence on the boy. The boy was so tired that he slept. Put a full stop at the end. Let us move to the eighth one. Now you all can see the picture of sun, and the word here which we have got is hot. The sentence for this is, the sun is so hot that it can be felt. Put a full stop at the end. Now let us move to the ninth one. You all can see the picture of elephant, and word which we have got is large. The elephant is so large it can carry everything on it. Put a full stop at the end. Now the last word which we are left with is the word loud. So the sentence which we are going to make is, the boy's noise was so loud that it could be heard in the whole class. Put a full stop at the end. Now here we complete with all the 10 sentences using these words and these pictures. Now you all have to write this in your book only. Use the space given below. Write all these sentences in book using pencil. Don't use pen to write it. Okay. Homework for you all is to learn the exercises in the workbook. Thank you.